that Pokemon?
I think that's Mr. Mime.
How can you even see when your eyes are closed?
Oh, God.
Come on, we talked about this, man.
Ash Ketchum from Pallet Town.
It can talk?
I'm not a Pokemon, bitch. Wanna play a game?
And by game, you mean Pokemon battle, right? Pikachu, Aichu.
Oh no, not a Pokemon battle. This game is simple. We're gonna play Guess Who's That Pokemon.
Then we battle, right?
No, there's no battling. Relax. Damn, so goddamn hyper for a 10-year-old. The rules are simple. For every Pokemon that you guess wrong, I'll kill one of your raccoon dogs. Pokemon. Or your blind friend.
Hey, I'm not blind, you bastard.
Oh, God.
Live or die. The choice is yours. The clock is ticking.
I'm not killing my Pokemon. I don't want to play.
Well, that's too bad. First Pokemon.
Who's that Pokemon?
That's a Raichu.
It's Pikachu!
Oh, God.
Sorry, it's a Pikachu.
That was a Raichu.
Next question.
Who's that Pokemon?
That's a Bulbasaur. I'm sure of it.
It's Pikachu!
Oh, God.
That's too bad. It was a Pikachu. Again.
That's impossible.
Anything's possible. Next question.
Who's that Pokemon?
Is it a Pikachu?
It's Charmander!
Oh, God.
That was too easy to get wrong. For that, your blind friend dies.
I'm not blind, you bastard.
Oh, God.
Stop!
Wait, hold up a second. No!
Yeah!
Haha, psych! That dumb kid really threw a Pokeball at me. He tried to catch them all. You can't catch me. I'm Jigsaw, bitch!
Oh, God.